Good morning, all of you. Myself Ranjita Kapoor. Today I will discuss about the history of Python. Python was designed and created by Guido van Rossum. He is a he was a Dutch programmer in Netherlands. Python implemented was started in December 1989 and it was published its first version, that is 0.9.0, in February 1991. As we see, the name of the Python language, this name is not related with the snake. Guido van Rossum was the fan of the Monty Python's Flying Circus, and this was a famous TV show in Netherlands that time. So he decided to call the language Python. Python was released, Python version, that is 1.0, released in 1991 with some features, that is exception handling, lambda, map, filter, reduce, etc. And next version, that is 2.0, was released in 2000 and its features was list comprehension, garbage collection system, etc. And Python 3.0 was released on 3rd December 2002. And Python 2.x and Python 3.x has proven to be most used version. And Python's latest version is 3.8.3 and it is released on May 13, 2020 with some features. Windows features are, they are now web-based installer for Windows platform. The installer will download the needed software component at installation time. Means to say, whenever we install Python 3.8.3, that time we should have to be select the components which we want to download. And there are redistributed zip files are there and containing the Windows build, making it easy to redistribute Python as a part of another software package. Means to say, Python we can redistribute whenever we are using it as a part of the another package. And in case of Mac operating system, Python 3.8.3 provide one installer, that is 64-bit only, that works on Mac operating system 10.9 and its latest system. And a question arises that what are the differences between Python 2.x and 3.x? Python 2.x is the legacy system and Python 3.x the future. And Python 3.x, it will take over Python 2 by the end of the 2019. And in case of library, Python 2.x libraries built for Python 2 and that are not forwarded. And in case of Python 3, because large number of developers are there, they are developing different libraries and these libraries are strictly related with the 3.x versions. So it has a huge library. And one more difference is that it is using ASCII characters. In 2.x, ASCII characters are uses that uses lowercase a to z letters, uppercase a to z letters, digits 0 to 9 and some special symbols, punctuation marks. But in case of Python 3.x, Unicode is using. And in Unicode, it represents English, Arabic, Greek etc., and mathematical symbols, historical scripts, emojis also covering, and it is a large range of characters rather than ASCII characters. And when we are talking about the calculations in Python 2.x, it will returns the nearest whole number. When we are, suppose we are calculating something such as 7 divided by 2, then it will return 3, not 3.5. It will be return whole number of that particular nearest number. But in case of 3.x, it will return exact number, real number. Suppose again same example, suppose we are taking 7 divided by 2, then its result will be 3.5. So as it is, 3.5 will be returned in case of 3.x version. And a main difference also in the case of print statement. Whenever suppose we want to print something, then we are not using round brackets in case of 2.x, but whenever we want to print some messages with the print, then we should have to be use round brackets to enclose the message. These are the some differences of Python 2.x and 3.x. Thank you.